product is curd. Everybody prepare curd at home. And what is the mechanism that I am going to tell you? It is prepared with the help of bacterium, Lactobacillus bacterium, or short form is lab bacterium. So what is the process? It is done in two steps. So when you put curd starter or drops in the milk, after few hours, it is converted into curd. What is the mechanism? See here. When curd starter or drops are added in milk, milk has lactose sugar. That's why milk is sweet. Lab bacteria carry out the reaction and convert lactose sugar in milk into lactic acid. Okay, this is the first step. Then this lactic acid acts on milk protein casein. In milk, the protein present is called as casein. Lactic acid coagulate or precipitate the casein protein, and then after precipitation curd is formed. Actually curd is precipitated protein of milk and sugar.